You were the prime antagonist. Let me make sure I look. How do I look? I look good, right?
Try not to freak out all the time, you know what I mean? Yeah. How you doing, Atelston? What's going on, man? It's so good to see you, man.
Whoa.
All right, man. Yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. How long's it been? How long's it been? I haven't seen you in a while.
Since I've seen you, Jimmy?
Parents and my brothers because of Bruce Lee, who I'm sure you like, karate. And I took karate and
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not. I've watched your show for years, and I'm a.
Don't tell me. I don't know.
Ever done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little gray, if you will. And someone said, this
world-renowned, best-selling author, Jordan Peterson. Jordan, how are you doing today? And thanks for doing Jeff's show.
I'm doing fine. And I
They don't touch. I do that with my testicles. Yeah.
You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
I do. And
Yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right?
All right, my name is David Letterman. This is the Jeff Richards Show, and today I'm filling
Been in over 150 movies.
in for Jeff, and I'm interviewing a woman who, by the way, you just look like a million.
I'm the one interviewing you.
I'm down. No.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow.
Wow. Wow. How you doing, man?
Hey, Jimmy.
It's good to see you, Russell Peters, man.
My friends call me the Teeb, and that includes you. Today, I'm filling in for...
What did I do?
Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest at this particular time. Hello, I'm Patrick Bateman, and you must be Cato.
Tell me about the
Yo, look who I'm with. No, it's not the fucking man. DC Young Fly. Yes, sir. Yo.
So you have
empirical, something. I mean,
we have inferential, we have subjective.
Look, I don't know anything about a ladle. I know what it is.
you were the prime. I beg your pardon.
Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about solipsism. And it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless.
Have objective and we have analytical. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
Good. Should I pop a good mic on here?
You sound great. You got your, what are you eating there?
Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes.
I'm eating all the healthy things my wife is making for me lately. We've been on what I call the we've been on what I call the Papillon diet.
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened a number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that. Yeah.
You have to let me ask the question.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence.
Yeah, Pitbull would be a pit too.
How do they know which name goes first?
Go. I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Big showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Yeah, I became infatuated with art. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.
You've been in over 150 movies.
Yeah.
Tell me about the
We're not like, it's not a tell. That would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what. Talking about.
no lethal weapon in 1987.
I'm not ladle. I don't cook. I don't know.
Because I live under